Will 2026 be stagflation, an AI boom, or a soft landing? In this video, I'll give probabilities and a clear action plan. Stay to the end for expert step-by-step moves, core portfolio, hedges, and when to play offense or defense without stress.
First, why everything feels uncertain. Recent data gaps and revisions made the picture foggy, so we focus on durable signals, not noise. Inflation is lower than the 2022 peak, but still above the long-run target. That means prices are rising slower, not falling. Layoffs are real in certain sectors, yet the broader job market can stay resilient for a while. Don't anchor on headlines alone. The Federal Reserve remains flexible. It wants inflation toward 2% without breaking employment, so the path of rate cuts isn't guaranteed. Tariffs act like a tax on imports. Firms either eat the cost or pass it on to consumers, adding some pressure to prices. Here's the 2026 map: slow growth, disinflation, AI supercycle, stagflation, or a hard landing. I'll share probabilities and playbooks. My balanced view: slow growth disinflation, 40%, AI supercycle, 30%, stagflation, 20%, hard landing, 10%. Let's unpack what each means. Slow growth disinflation. Growth cools, inflation drifts lower. Equities chop, leadership rotates. Quality balance sheets matter most. Positioning here: broad index core, quality tilt, investment grade bonds, and patience. Trim noise, stick to process. Stagflation risk. Inflation stays sticky while growth weakens. Multiplaces compress, real assets and pricing power businesses help. If stagflation emerges, reduce cyclicals, add tips, keep gold within 3 to 7%, and favor essential services and strong brands. Hard landing tail. Unemployment rises materially, the Fed cuts faster, and defensives plus high-quality bonds tend to shine. In a sharper downturn, your cash ladder prevents forced selling. Add duration gradually, hold defensives, and keep dollar cost averaging. AI supercycle. CapEx stays strong, productivity improves, earnings broaden, and multiples hold if real rates ease or stay stable. If the boom persists, a measured 10 to 20% picks and shovels sleeve. Semis, foundries, data centers, power infrastructure, cloud networking. Even in an AI boom, expect air pockets. Earnings timing, regulation, or supply constraints can hit prices. Diversify beyond one name. Why gold has support? Policy uncertainty, central bank demand, and lower real rates can keep an insurance bid, even alongside rising stocks. Treat gold like insurance, not a growth engine. Keep it small, typically around 3 to 7% within a diversified plan. Your sleep at night buffer: 3 to 6 months of expenses via cash and T-bills. It turns panic into patience and lets you buy dips calmly. Anchor 70 to 85% in broad, low-fee stock and investment-grade bond funds. Global exposure lowers single-country risk. Add tips at 5 to 10% if you want explicit inflation protection. Remember, hedges cushion. They don't replace long-term growth. Use a clear toggle. Offense when conditions favor growth themes. Defense when inflation and growth conflict. Rules beat predictions. Set rebalance bands now. Trim a sleeve after a 20 to 25% run. Top up after a 15 to 20% drop. Keep any theme at 10 to 12% or less. Your biggest asset is income. Use AI to boost your skills, automation, analytics, domain expertise, and let that compound alongside investments. Max tax-advantaged accounts first: 401k, IRA, HSA. Then automate contributions. Small, consistent steps win the long game. Example framework: core 70 to 85%, AI infra 10 to 20%, hedges 5 to 15% split across gold and tips. Adjust within bands, don't chase. Plan for typical market swings. Double-digit moves happen. With rules, you'll rebalance into weakness and harvest strength systematically. Bottom line, build a resilient core, keep a cash ladder, right-size hedges, and use disciplined rules. Offense or defense, you're prepared.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this brought you useful insights and a fresh perspective that supports you on your financial journey. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. I wish you success on your journey. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.